So it has not been so long that I posted the recent video, MBBS first year at a glance, and I'm really happy and grateful to all of you for showing so much of love to this video. We have reached 150 subscribers. What else?
जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So this video is going to be, as I promised in the last video, that I'm going to make a video on how to survive first year MBBS at your best. So I'm going to cover a few very important topics, so don't skip any part of this video.
Wait a minute!
Hey guys, namaskar, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another video of Vestiges of an Essay. My goodness.
This video is the point of view of an average student and no arrogance is intended. An average student or a below average student is vulnerable enough to make these mistakes, but it may not happen for all. But what it's for is prevention is always better than regret.
The first part of the video is going to be about note making. Till 12th, we are oriented with the way that the teacher uses a black marker on a whiteboard or a chalk on a blackboard and teaches us different things, different topics, different chapters, using diagrams, using flowcharts, using different types of visual presentations which they hand draw on the board and explain bit by bit. So we get a lot of time to write down, copy everything down on our copies. But now the case is not going to be the same. You people are gonna get classes, actually lectures technically, in the form of presentations, that is PowerPoint presentations, which will contain the different SLOs. Now what is SLO? SLO is a special learning objective of a particular chapter, since we know that MBBS books are so humongous that every point, every topic, each word cannot be discussed in the lecture. Professors, assistant professors, associate professors, demonstrators, everyone is going to show you the presentations, their slides very concise. At the same time, they are going to contain very much information in those concise slides. What one can do is just write down the topic of the SLO on the page. One thing is very important, which can help you in a further process called logbooks. If you write the date, the particular topic and the CBME competency number, for example for anatomy AN 1.0, and the professor's name or the assistant professor, associate professor who has taken the topic. Next you can do is write down the SLOs, mark stars on the topics, on the words where the teacher emphasizes. Make sure to write down the definitions word to word, because definitions are going to give you full marks, but only when you write them word to word. Just write down from where the definition is taken from. Suppose a definition which is taken from the WHO, so that you can go and search for the definition of this thing given by this organization or this person. Coming to the next part of the video, that is marking and highlighting your book. As you all have already crossed neat phase, so you know how much the inertia of highlighting each and every word is. The thing is that we don't get to read each and every word of the books. We need to be very selective to pass our exam. Whichever topic the teacher emphasizes in the classroom, you need to read for the exams. In a paragraph, highlight the words which are really important for an answer, for its completion, like the words without which the examiner will not give you marks. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. For anatomy, diagrams are very important. For physiology and biochemistry, flowcharts are really important. Specifically for biochemistry, reactions are really important. The importance of sticky notes arises very much this time, because we don't get to read each and every topic, each and every page of the chapter before the exam. What you can do is you can just put a sticky note on the page which contains a very important topic from the exam point of view, so that you can go to that topic directly before the exam and revise it well. Even in the morning of the exam day, you can just go and revise it. You will not need to find a lot. In the final exams, it helped a lot. Professors prefer point-wise answers very much. Like, you need to explain, no doubt in that. They give you points regarding what important words you have included in your answer, how have you presented your answer. Also amidst this, I want to tell you that studying by picking is important, but as important is having a little little knowledge of everything. Because one more thing is Viva. They are gonna ask us questions relating to the topic. They will be jumping from one topic to another swiftly, because such is the relation of different topics in first year. Not only first year, in each phase of MBBS. Now going to the practicals part. Practicals are as important as the theory. Even if I say that practicals are more important than theory, it should not completely go wrong, because practical is what we are going to practice after we become a certified Indian medical graduate. So each practical procedure is going to have a sequence and mandatory number and mandatory steps which are going to carry marks. Even asking for consent, rubbing the hands while asking for consent, greeting the patient and letting the patient know about the procedure, each carry marks. Also try to be productive in co-curricular activities of your college. Participate in the college week, fests, any competition held. Medical life is so stressful. First year is not all about padhai likhai. So it is very, very important to keep a very clean balance between the studies and the enjoyment. You are coming to a new course, new schedule, new curriculum. You are not acquainted well to it. Feel stressed at times, go for outing, celebrate birthdays of each other, being happy in someone else's happiness.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
I can't literally compare the happiness of going to outings with friends to anything else. Such joyous moment when we all are together. Grab it from life. Don't let life cheat you with this. Many times you are going to find yourself very, very clueless. You may think like, I'm so dumb, I don't know what to study. Everyone else in the class is answering to what the teacher is asking. There is only one person, that is me, who is not uttering a single answer correctly. This is the time you reach your teachers, your seniors, your mentors. Don't be alone in this journey. It is way too stressed. You are in first year, you may already be knowing. If you are soon going to be in first year, you will know. Have friends, have a circle. This is the last part of the video, but not at all the least, about mental health. Prioritize your mental health in any state. You need to keep it really, really safe. Might be challenging. It was challenging for me. Spend time with yourself. Spending time with yourself is more important than spending time on anything else. You are studying MBBS, that's a very, very good thing. A milestone for you. But anything that comes out of you should not come out of you due to compulsion. So that's all for this video. For the next video, I will be covering the first year essentials and books you need to buy for the first year of MBBS, my suggestions on each of the topic. And till then, bye bye, take care and stay tuned to Vestiges of an Essay. Thank you.